Hi, this is Dee with Keep It Tight Sisters, still on vacation, and today I am picking grape leaves. I'm picking grape leaves. So we have what we call seaside grapes, and they are on the beach, and they have a delicious fruit, but we also use the leaves for cooking. And so I am here at the beach, and I am with this cluster of grape trees, seaside grape trees. We use these grape leaves primarily to cook with. We often wrap 𝐥𝐤𝐤, one of our local dishes, in them. And they are great for cooking. You can also use them to line a casserole dish or a potato pudding recipe. So if you're going to use it that way, you will need to steam the leaves slightly or pour boiling water over the leaves and put them in a greased pan, and then you can do your potato pudding, your cassava pudding, and those type of things, and it will give them an awesome flavor. But again, we use these a lot to wrap our 𝐥𝐤𝐤. If you want to think sometimes of how you get tamales that are wrapped in a corn husk, that's what we do in wrapping our 𝐥𝐤𝐤 and some of our other local dishes. So I want to show you a little bit. If you can see, there are some tiny grapes that are coming out. These will come out in the summer especially, but right now you can see that this is one humongous tree. And the good thing about island life and having these trees on the beach is that they provide shade. These beaches provide shade. You don't have to bring your beach umbrella. You set up your picnic very close to one of these trees, and you only have to worry about the bugs, okay? But this time of year, don't really have to worry about sandflies or any of the other creepy crawly things. But today I am making sure I pick enough grape leaves for my mom to cook some delicious 𝐥𝐤𝐤. Okay, have a great one, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll drop a little bit more information about the nutritional benefits of grape leaves. They can also be used in salads or cut finely and steamed the way you would spinach or any of your other leafy vegetables. Very high in antioxidants. And so I will drop some information about nutritional benefits of grape leaves also. Okay, have a great one. Bye-bye.